This is Diana for ExpertVillage.com, and today I'm working with David from the Big Easy Catering Company in Santa Barbara, and he's just made us a chocolate fountain, so I'm going to show you how to prepare some of the things to go in the chocolate. Here I have a pear, and I'm just going to cut down the side. I like to cut them so that the seeds are left behind, and I'm going to cut off each side, leaving the core, and then I'm just going to cut them in bite-sized slices. These are going to be skewered with a little wooden skewer. I'm going to do the same with my apple, cutting down the sides, leaving the core, and then cutting the apple into slices. And I also have my tangerine, so I'm going to peel my tangerine and leave the segments whole.